Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to watch Valorant replays. First, let's click play and go to the practice range. So, I'll be using NVIDIA GeForce Experience today to watch my replays. In order to watch my replay, I first have to enable the instant replay option. To enable that, I'll press Alt Z. Now click on instant replay and turn it on. Now the instant replay is active. So now I'll just do some jumping and bunny hopping. And now if I press Alt F10, the replay will save. Now let's navigate to the folder where the replays are. Double click on the video. And here is me doing the bunny hops. So that's how you can watch and record your replays in Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.